So fourth one is calculation of sacrifice ratio and new ratio, that is X and Y are a partners sharing profits. X and Y partners are sharing profits in the ratio of 7 is to 3, and X surrenders 1 by 7th of his share and Y surrenders 1 by 3rd of his share in favor of Z. Z partner, they have shared a share of 1 by 7th of portion and 1 by 3rd portion. And we need to calculate a new ratio and sacrifice ratio. So first old ratio of X and Y was 7 is to 3. Means it is total amount is 10. 7 plus 3 10. So 7 divided by 10 is to 3 divided by 10. So 7 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is the ratio of old ratio of X and Y. And X sacrificed the ratio of 1 by 7 portion. So how much he sacrificed, that is the amount of 1 by 7 into 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is the X ratio. X ratio is 7 by 10, so he will get as a 1 by 10 as the sacrifice ratio. Next, Y sacrifice ratio is 1 by third portion. So 1 by third portion into 3 by 10. So he will get as a sacrifice ratio as a 1 by 10 as the sacrifice ratio. And sacrificing ratio of X and Y is 1 by 10 is to 1 by 10, or you can write 1 is to 1 ratio. So Z shares of X share plus Y share is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Its total amount is 2 by 10 is the sacrifice ratio for the Z partner. And X new share equals old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So old ratio is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 minus 1 by 10 is a new ratio, sacrifice ratio. So he will get as a 6 by 10 as the new ratio. And Y's new share equals old ratio minus sacrifice ratio equals 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10 is the new ratio, sacrifice ratio. So he will get as a 2 by 10 as a new ratio. So therefore new ratio of X, Y and Z is 6 is to 2 is to 2, or you can you can make it less as a 3 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. He'll get the new ratio of X, Y and Z partner. Meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is the benefit, name, fame, reputation, image of a business which ultimately helps the business to earn more profits. So goodwill means the benefit of a name, fame, reputation, image of a business which ultimately helps the business to earn more profit. It also because the honesty of business, ethics and hard work done by all partners in the past years. So goodwill is calculated on the basis of past performance. So there are various methods of valuation of goodwill. For first standard 12, following two methods are included here. So one is average profit method, and in that we are calculation of total profit method and calculation of average profit. And next, calculation of goodwill. And second one is super profit method. In super profit method, calculating capital employed and normal rate return. Next, this and average profit method and calculation of normal profit method, super profit method and calculation of goodwill. These are the methods coming in a second method, that is super profit method. So now we have to look after average profit method. Now we study that what is the goodwill and average profit method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated Goodwill is calculated on the average basis of the past number of years of profit. So in a last year, how much they have calculated, how much the reputation, image of the business and ethics and honesty of the business, name and fame, how much they have secured. So on the average basis of the past number of years of profit, it is assumed that the firm will maintain an average profit for a next certain years also. And so the goodwill is calculated on the basis of a certain number of years purchase of average profit. So how we will calculate a goodwill? Goodwill will be calculated on the basis of certain number of years. Some years they will certain numbers of years they will take, and average profit of the business. And goodwill can be calculated as per this method, like calculation of total profit. So total profit is calculated by adding the profits of the previous year and deducting the losses if any. So like, so example, profits and losses of the past 4 years are as follows. So year and amount. So 2016 is the profit is 1,20,000 rupees, and 2017 it is a profit is 80,000 rupees, and 2018 it is a 20,000 rupees is the as a loss, and 2019 is the 60,000 as a profit. So we need to add all the profits amount of certain years, the 4 years amount they are given as a profit. That amount we have to add, and this 20,000 is the loss we have to deduct in the profit amount. That is total profit equals 1,20,000 plus 80,000 minus 20,000 as a 2018 they got as a 20,000 as a loss. So 20,000 is coming here, and 2019 is a 60,000 rupees, and total amount, so total amount is 2,40,000 is the total profit of the 4 years. And how can we calculate a calculation of average profit? Average profit equals total profit divided by number of years. So average profit was 2,40,000 rupees. 2,40,000 as a average profit divided by 4 years, because 4 years they are given like 2000, 2016, 17, 18, 19. So number of years, 4 years. So average profit for 4 divided by for 2,40,000 divided by 4, you'll get as a 60,000 as a average profit. So like this we will calculate a average profit. So calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is valued at certain number of years purchase of average profit. Certain numbers of years they will take as a average profit. Thus, goodwill can be calculated by using the following formula. That is, goodwill equals average profit into number of years purchase. So, in above example, if goodwill is to be calculated as a 2 years purchase of average profit, then goodwill amount is average profit that taken as 60,000. Average profit goodwill equals average profit is 60,000, and number of years of purchase they have taken here 2 years. 2 years they are given average profit purchase, so that we have taken 2 equals rupees 160,000 into 2 is as a rupees 1,20,000 as a goodwill. So like this we need to calculate a calculation of goodwill.